Hello. It's late at night and we're lighting things on fire.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Don't throw your iPod.
I know. There. Okay. Light it on fire. Then, baby, it died. Good job, Charlie. It's still dying. I think we just have to put it in there. Unless we're roasting marshmallows, whatever.
No.
What? Oh, okay. Yeah, wood. Oh wow.
It's beginning to have a slightly steady burn. Fire.
Yay.
It's not going to set the outer box on fire, is it?
No. Put it in there. Sacrifice. What are you doing?
I think it was cool enough to put in my pocket.
So you're putting it against your arm.
Yep. You ready?
Yep.
Face down in the fire.
Here, here, here.
Goodbye.
I'm so cold.
No.
Oh my god.
Run.
You look terrifying right now. That flame is huge. What the heck? Oh my god.
Jerry?
Yeah.
Goodbye.
That was awesome. Oh, hello, Ember. Why are you here?
Boom.
He's like,
Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody.